Dear student, a very good morning. Now let us proceed the same lesson, media, the mainstay of democracy. We learn media refers to various means of communication that help in communicating to a large number of people at the same time. Examples are radio, television, cinema, newspaper, magazine, internet. There are many types of media, print media, electronic media, then television, newspaper, Indian cinema, television, radio. There are many others media which help us to give message. But it is very important that the information provided by media should be balanced and impartial. It should not favor any people or a class. Media should give an unbiased, balanced report covering all points of view. It's surprising that 1857 the British passed the Gagging Act, which empowered the government to ban the circulation of any newspaper, book or other printed material that could weaken the authority of the British government. So our country or the framer of our constitution, they don't want that our press should not be free. So after independence on 26 January 1950, our constitution safeguarded the freedom of press as a fundamental right under freedom of speech and expression with certain limitation. Media is changing at a rapid speed due to globalization, privatization and increasing of communication satellite. Indian media is free, but sometimes government can ban the media from broadcasting or publishing certain items which are against the country in order to protect the interest of our country. This is known as censorship. In one of the movement known as Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan, the common people asked for copies of bills, vouchers, names of person and other necessary information. So, now dear student, let us study right to information. Right to Information Act, which is known as RTI also. This act was passed in 2005. It is linked with the basic rights like freedom of speech and expression and right to education. It is basically linked with right, freedom of speech and right to education. It was passed due to demand of various organizations and movement. Under this right, any citizen may request information from public authority which is required to reply within 30 days. Anyone can ask, report on public authority. And it should be answered within 30 days. This right has promoted transparency and accountability. It has promoted transparency and accountability. in a democracy, the government must share the power with humblest if it wants to empower the weakest. So this act was found in 2005 and it was related to freedom of speech and education. So dear student, media is like a watchdog in democracy that keeps the government active and public involved. It has become a powerful force in our daily life. So dear student, it is very important. Media plays an important role in our life. We cannot think about without media. Many a time media brings important issues to the forefront like clean drinking water, lack of health facilities, crime and violence, illiteracy, female infanticide. A democracy without a free media is like a car without wheel. Dear student, these are the keywords. Please do write in your copy. Now let us solve A-type question. Tick the correct option. Paper was invented by Chinese. The right to information was promoted. Accountability. Information provided by media should not be biased. Who among the following is not involved in the process of telecasting the news? Technician. Which country did Johannes Gutenberg belongs to? Germany. Media has brought people together to a level where technology is media. Chinese influenced the development of printing by inventing paper. Television affects public perception and opinion. Media should not prefer a class, person or an organization. The right to information was promoted, transparency and accountability. Now let us solve true or false. Media influence our belief and attitude. True. RTI was passed due to the demand of various organizations and movement. True. Media is like a watchdog in a democracy. True. Freedom of speech and expression has no limitation. False. A big share of Indian media is owned by political parties. False. Now, students, let us be ready. We will solve D-type question. First question is, define media. The answer is, media refers to various means of communication that help in communicating with a large number of people at same time. Various means of communication that help in communicating with a large number of people at same time. Second question, why is media called a watchdog of democracy? It keeps the government active and public involved, so media is called a watchdog of democracy. In what ways does the cinema affect our views? The cinema affects our opinions. It creates awareness about social evils, political malpractices, and economic exploitation in the fast-changing society. Question number 4. What are the different means of print and electronic media? Means of print media are newspaper, magazine, books, periodicals, etc. Electronic media are television, internet, computer, laptop, etc. Question number 5. What other basic rights are linked with the right to information? The answer is freedom of speech and expression and rights to education are linked with the right to information. Now question number E1. How are media and technology dependent on each other? The answer is Various development in the field of communication technology since the end of 20th century have developed. The latest technologies help us to reach the masses. Cable and satellite has improved the connectivity in rural areas. Technology has improved the efficiency in media, and on other hand, media updates technology. Now E2 question, how does media influence our daily life? Answer is, first point, media plays an important role increasing awareness and enlightened citizens. It expresses scandals and builds the confidence of people. It gives awareness to the local and rural people through TV news and radio news. Now question E3, describe the role of media in a democracy. First point, in a democratic country, media plays an important role in creating awareness to people. It has been successful in bringing public opinion to the front. It expresses scandals and crime against dowry, mob lynching, exploitation of children and women. Fourth point, it covers news of rally, procession, local meeting, flood, etc. Now E4 question, in what ways does the media bring the problems of the common man to the forefront? Media brings important issues to forefront that was ignored. It must constantly draw the attention of public and government towards scarcity of clean water and others. Now E5, do you think Indian media is free? Justify your answer. Since India has become republic on 26 January 1950, the Indian media has got full freedom with certain limitation. But sometimes Indian media gives fake news. It should be impartial but becomes biased. Government also bans media if the news goes against the interest of the people.